Hey guys, this is Christian from Downhill World, and today I had my bike service with a basic service and also a fork service with Willy Bike Shop. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and also please help Willy Bike Shop with some views as well. Thanks again, Christian. And here's where they do the fork service and where they're draining all the oil off the fork. Hey guys, this is my bike when it's fully done. Thanks again to Willy Bike Shop for doing an awesome job on my bike. Please hook them up with some work.